Good morning, everybody. This morning I'm coming to you from my lounge room. And the reason I'm doing another screencast is because we had some very positive feedback around the screencast giving some clarity to yesterday. So hopefully today I can give you some more clarity around what we're doing today for our Wednesday program. So far, everybody's been collaborating amazingly. The feedback in the SurveyMonkey is overwhelmingly positive about people finding challenges and overcoming them and using each other as a great support. So well done, everybody. So today, I'll just go through the learning intentions. So we're going to express our optimism on Teams, and we're going to do that by, I'll show you, posting something that we are looking forward to in the holidays. So for me, I'm looking forward to spending time with these little monkeys. It's been a little while since I've got to spend some real quality time with them, so looking forward to that. Okay, hopefully the screencast will ensure clarity of the agenda. We're going to start with our numeracy documentation and hopefully delegate tasks for that. And further develop our skills in ICT. We're going to know that we have been successful if we have all posted our optimistic statement on Teams. If individual staff have engaged and you feel a sense of further development of your skills in ICT, everybody needs to make sure that they have a device to take home. And this afternoon, we're going to have our at-home login from WebEx. So hopefully that will be really successful. And like I said, beginning to document our numeracy program. So what's the schedule of the day? From 9 to 9:30, there's a little list of things to do. So please post your something you're really looking forward to in the holidays. Hopefully you'll be watching this. There's a SurveyMonkey to complete, and I'll be looking at that at about 9:30. And please book in or schedule your professional learning activities according to your needs later on. So I'll show you where you're going to do that. Down here, this is the timetable, and I'm going to refer to that again in a minute. So from 9:30 to 12:30, you're going to need to use that timetable. We've called it Choose Your Own Adventure. During this time, you'll need to make sure that you schedule your own morning break and attend the professional learning sessions that you think that you need. There are 2 sessions of each. So if there's a situation where you can't attend all the ones that you want to, please let us know and we'll make sure that we record or somehow get the information to you. There's a literacy coaching schedule. So each of the teams will be meeting with Michelle. Can you do that via Teams, please? I've emailed out an outline that will help you to structure your coaching session. I'm not necessarily going to be part of the coaching today. That's your time, and you can use Michelle to your advantage and help you get those routines that she's been suggesting into your programs. Okay. During the 9 to 12:30 session, if there's anything from yesterday that hasn't been completed, please make sure that that's your number 1 priority after your professional learning, that is done. So I'm going to now go through the timetable for the professional learning this morning. So I'm going to zip down to the bottom of the page. So you'll see that from 9:30 to 10:30, you can either go and do a basic training on WebEx and Teams with Cash. If you are Louise, Amber, Nicole, Helen, Tripti or Georgina, you will be having your coaching session with Michelle, and therefore if you needed to join, if you wanted professional learning in basic WebEx, you'd need to book in or make sure that you turn up for the session at 10:50 to 11:50. Just to be clear, there is no booking sheet. You just make your own plans and you just turn up to what you want to be doing. Okay, hopefully that's clear. So the options for professional learning are the WebEx and Teams with Cash, Seesaw with Amber, a Teams, so just a little bit more in depth with Teams, so looking at channels and file sharing with Kerry. If you'd like to learn how to screencast, like I'm doing right now, Chris is your man in Y6. And Cash will be available from 10:10 to 10:50 to collect your device. If you can't at that time, please negotiate with him to grab your device. If you haven't already, many of you have at a different time. Okay, lunch from 12:40 to 1:10. And in the afternoon sessions, just 45 minutes. So just for the numeracy planning, there'll be a screencast available later on to take you through the numeracy planning. Number one is delegate tasks, because you'll be doing your planning at home later. So you'll need to know who is doing what when it comes to your numeracy planning. IELC staff, you will be doing a handover session. 2 p.m, you can leave site. Get yourself home and be ready for the WebEx session. We've split them into two because we're just not sure how it will go with everybody on at the same time. So Team A, please join the meeting at 3:30, and Team B, looking forward to seeing you at 4 p.m. Like I said, make sure that you are doing your numeracy planning at home to get really on top of that, because there won't be lots of time for it tomorrow. Okay, please let me know if there are any questions. Have a great day. Happy planning. See you later.